All right, we're taking a look today at the Skylotec Black Mamba foot loop. So let's start off by taking that look at the actual loop portion here. You can see it's fairly wide opening and pretty rigid, which is great. So I can take it even if I'm not all the way down and flip it onto my foot. On the bottom area here, there's also this extra loop. It has some sticky rubber onto it. So what I can do is flip it over and pop it onto my boot or my shoe, whatever, and it keeps it nice and in place when I'm ascending or when I'm walking around. Take it, flip it back over, and it's back to that foot loop portion. The rest of the sling here you can see is made out of this really thin black dyneema, which is great for it's very lightweight, very compact, and it's very low stretch. So it keeps all my movement as I'm going up. It doesn't stretch at all. To operate it, all I have to do is operate this little cam. Once again, with the dyneema's slick properties already, and then opening up this cam, this slides through very easily to extend out. When I want to pull it back up, I find this little loop here portion on the bottom, put my thumb into it, and that'll retract it. But very easy to operate. It's probably the easiest one that we found on the market to extend and retract. Skylotec, what the other thing they did with this is they purpose-built this and made this to help out with minimalist style, pick-off style rescues for rope access. So as a lot of rope access technicians know, we'll utilize this if we don't have anything else on our harness. We can use this for a counterbalance or make it into a 3-to-1 haul system with this sling just by itself. And again, the nice thing about it is it has about an extra foot of length onto it, unlike some other things that we have in our cache. So a little bit extra length, and of course that black dyneema, so it doesn't stretch, so we capture all of our load. And dyneema inherently is a little bit slick, so it's nice and it kind of slides through the carabiners when we're doing that counterbalance or when we're doing that 3-to-1 haul system. So again, the Skylotec Black Mamba foot loop. You can go to elevatedsafety.com and check on our gear shop for purchasing information, or you can also hit us up at info@elevatedsafety.com for more information.